Plumbers have a trick that'll leave your toilet spotless, smelling fresh and sparkling clean. Grab a glass bowl and pour in half a cup of boiling water. Add 50 grams of unflavored gelatin. Follow that with half a cup of powdered detergent. Finally, sprinkle in a tablespoon of baking soda. Now mix everything really well. Stir until the mixture becomes smooth and all the ingredients are fully combined. Grab an empty plastic soda bottle. Using a small saw or a serrated knife, carefully cut the bottle just below the neck. This will give you the perfect mold for our creation. Using a funnel, pour the mixture into the bottom part of the bottle. Once it's full, place it in the fridge for a few hours. This will allow it to solidify into a gel-like consistency. Using scissors, carefully cut away the plastic bottle to release the solidified gel. You'll end up with a large, firm block of cleaning gel. Now, grab a knife and cut the gel into small round slices. These will be your magic toilet cleaning discs. Next, take a disposable face mask. With scissors, snip off one of the corners to create a small pocket. Slide one of the gel slices into this pocket, then use the mask string to tie it securely. Hard water stains, mineral buildup, and stubborn grime in your toilet bowl and tank. These are annoying, unsightly, and tough to remove. By placing one of these gel discs inside your toilet tank, it will dissolve gradually, cleaning the tank and the bowl every time you flush. The combination of detergent, baking soda, and gel works like magic to eliminate hard water stains, salt deposits, and grime while leaving a fresh scent that lasts for over a week.